This is the story of one of my homeowner investors. She decided she wanted to sell her property in Orlando and buy another one. Now, she's known me for years, but that didn't stop her from browsing around online, looking for the value of her home. And of course, she landed on one of those giant platforms that offer to buy cash as is, not having to worry about doing any repairs to the house, no showings, quick closing. This sounded really good to her. She lives out of the state and she has a tenant at the property, so she didn't want to inconvenience the tenant with showings. And then she proceeded to call me to get my opinion. Hi, this is Ada de Leon, Realtor and broker owner of Florida Relocation Real Estate, and here is how we analyze the proposal. First, the price she was being offered wasn't all that great. I knew I can get her thousands more. Second, they claim they didn't charge a commission fee, yet their service fee was 7%, and that was without having seen the house. Usually after the inspection is done, they discount thousands in repairs. Third, and the most important, this was an investment property. They didn't sit down with her to analyze how doing a 1031 exchange can save her thousands of dollars in capital gain taxes. As you know, if you are selling your primary home, you are exempted from paying capital gain taxes up to $250,000 if single and up to $500,000 if married, filing jointly. But in her case, she was an investor and there is no such exemption for investors unless you do a 1031 exchange. So let me tell you how this story ended. We sold the house for $25,000 more than she expected. We sold it during our first open house. We got 12 offers. We sold it cash, but to an owner occupant that really wanted the home and appreciated everything about it. And we saved her over $50,000 in capital gains. I hope this helps in your decision to buy or sell. Comment below, forward this to a friend, and don't forget to subscribe. I love to have you guys here.